Hey guys, I'm Megan and welcome back to my channel at Mom with Megan. You can also find me on Instagram by the same name. This is a packing slash review, I guess, of the Rough and Tumble large train. Now, if you're not familiar with this company, this is an example of one of their bags. Like I said, this is the train and this is a custom bag. So on their site, you can either select like one of their bags that they will make for you, just like out of one of the leathers they have that they've pre-selected, or you can go through the customization process, which is a phone call and then talking with one of their designers and picking out the pieces of your bag. I highly recommend, if you want to go that route, joining the Facebook page first, which I will link down below because there's a lot to learn and a lot to cover. And the quality is just like out of this world. Like it's nothing like you've ever seen on a leather bag, in my opinion, no matter what level of designer or whatever you're gonna go with. I think like this is the best. Their bags run, like their custom bags run between $400 and $600. So this is not an inexpensive bag, but it is a bag that will last forever. My husband got it for our anniversary this year. So I'm obsessed with it completely. So let me go around the bag and show you some of the major aspects of it, and then I'll tilt the camera down and show you how I have it packed up for my 3 kids. I have a 6-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 2-year-old. So I'm kind of out of that baby stage, but not out of the kid stage by any stretch. This bag, you can see here, I have a clip-on strap. This was an add-on strap. It's super comfortable to carry over the shoulder, and like I said, it is removable, so you could attach this to your shoulder or something like that. I'll talk a little bit more about the closure of this bag when I tilt the camera down. I think it would be easier. And then this side strapping here can be adjusted to, like right now I have it as an over the shoulder style. It can be lengthened to a crossbody bag, or you can lengthen it out a whole lot. And this bag can be worn as a backpack. You can pull both sides and then it makes a backpack like so. So then you would just like take this around and put it on your back like that. So I didn't cinch it, which I should have at the top first, but that's the basic idea, and it's really comfortable. Then I have 2 pockets here on the front, which is where I will start. So let's tilt the camera down and get inside this gorgeous bag. Okay, so on the outside of this bag, like I said, I have 2 zip pockets here. You can get this as a single zip or as a plain front. And in this pocket here, I just have this little pouch the bag came with. It was like a little gift with purchase. And then in here, I just have my mask, and then that little pouch just fits in here. I just love the way it all matches, so cute. And then in this pocket over here, I have my phone. So my phone doesn't quite fit standing up, but it slides in and then goes sideways, no problem. So I don't mind keeping it there, even though it's a little bit funky. Okay, so I said I would talk about this. Now the way it works is there's like 2 kinds of loops on the side. So the knotted one, it pulls everything really tight. So if I want to, I can pull that as tight as it goes, and it's extremely, I don't know, like cinched there for sure. Now, if I want to release that, I grab the looped ones and everything just opens up like magic. And I've only had this bag a couple of weeks, so that will continue to soften up, the leather will, and then it will just get so easy to use. This is the interior of the bag. I do have a custom lining. This is the rifle paper lining, and to say like I love it would be an understatement. So I'm gonna start here with what I have in the center. This is just my everyday notebook, calendar, what have you, and that fits in there great. On the side here there is a key leash. What I love about their key leashes is A, it's super long, and B, it can be removed like from this side to let your keys go, or from this side to let the whole thing go, and then you can use this as like a little wristlet if you wanted to. At the bottom slash middle, I have just this pouch. I thought it looked cute. The pink was really sweet. And in here, I just have snacks for my kids, some applesauce and crackers. Okay, on the back wall here is a long zipper, and in here I have 2 things. First is I have this little pouch I got in Japan when we lived there, and in here I just have like medical needs, lipstick, all that kind of stuff I don't want falling around the back. And then I also have my wallet. This is the Lily Jade clutch. I've been using it as my wallet a long time because it's super slim and lightweight, and then if I need to, I can just throw anything else in here and grab this and go. This is now the front of the bag, and there are 2 huge slip pockets. So I'm using one of those for my water. This is the 32 ounce, and that's why I love the large train, is because it's tall enough to hold my water and still cinch clothes easy. And then in the other slip pocket in here, this is where I'm keeping my diaper and my wipes. And then there are 4, I'm trying to like pull it out for you. There are 4 Tinier slip pockets. 1, 2, and then 2 on the other side that match. And right now, like I usually throw in like hair ties or something like that. Right now I just have like some wet ones and usually like a passy in there, but I think it took it out. So I still have like organization to use back there if I wanted to. And that is everything I'm keeping in my Rough and Tumble large custom train. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in more Rough and Tumble reviews, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. If you are interested in a specific style, let me know that too. Go ahead and give this video a big like, subscribe if you haven't already, follow me on Insta, all the good things, and I'll see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye!